Oh, pretty cool. Oh no!
What's up, man?
I see the weather forecast. It's have a big snow at the weekend. Wow.
I know it's hard for us. Winter is coming, and we know what's going on with the winter. We cannot face it alone.
Yes, the winter is coming. We can't face alone. We need a barbecue lamb. Let's do it. We had got a whole lamb from the New Zealand. Oh, it's open.
Where should I put this one?
Alright. Okay. Add some water.
Pretty good.
Now after we test the temperature, it's almost past half hour. When we start to barbecue the whole lamb, it's almost past 3 hours. 3 hours. I think it's almost done. So we now add the salt to the lemon juice and the water mix. Why now we add the soil, not the beginning? Because the soil, if we put at the beginning, the salt will let the meat lost the water. It will taste very hard to bite. So now we put the salt, it will make taste and tender. Oh, nice color. You turn the other side. Okay. We will bake 10 more minutes. Then put the last time sauce. It will good.
At the beginning, it was 350. Now it's decreased to 300. We are going to check what's going on. And if for degree C, it's like 200, drop to 140.
It's a nice cook. 169, 165 to get the FDA requested temperature.
This is our secret recipe. We are going to share it with you in our details. Leo, you do this one. Let's go.
Bacon 1 more minute. Okay, wait. Wow.
Hi guys, you can see the color is perfect and I smell it, it tastes very good. I cannot wait to eat. The rest I will take some of the rest. Cut the bone, please. Here.
Okay. Keep it.
Whoa,
Be careful, hot.
seems very good.
Sauce. Joe, you can take some. Oh,
Hold on. Too heavy.
see.
I will know our secret recipe. Thank you, Leo.
Also, the lemon sauce. Good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
If you like our food, please subscribe our channel.
Thank you.
Nice. So big. Tender and juicy. Thank you watching, guys. Hey Joe, what are you digging for?
Hi, I'm digging the lamb legs. Last time we barbecued it and I buried in the snow. It's like a natural refrigerator, you know.
Wow, cool.
You know, enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Wow. Oh, pretty cool. Oh,
Yeah,
what's that?
a beer.
Okay, nice.
Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's barbecue the lamb first.
Okay. Like this.
Yeah, okay. That's cool. We got some English muffins. I wanna eat with the lamb legs. So I'm going to cut it first. It's going to be ready soon. Leo, sandwich is ready.
I wash the hand first. Tomato. Think it's good. So wait, will you forget the beer? I get the beer.
Okay.
Beer is coming.
Smells good.
May I have one meat?
Yeah.
The winter taste.